How to share Shareit app via Bluetooth. So if you want to share Shareit app via Bluetooth, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. Or even if you don't have it, first you need to open up your Shareit. Now go with agree and continue. Go with allow. Allow access to manage all files. Go back, and now on the top right you will have a plus icon. Tap on the plus icon, and after that go with invite. From the invite you need to go with Bluetooth, or you can also go with hotspot. So if you want to share through Bluetooth, then you just need simply tap on Bluetooth. Once you tap on Bluetooth, make sure that you've enabled your Bluetooth, and the other device in which you would like to share, make sure that device has also turned on their Bluetooth. So go with OK. After turning on your Bluetooth, now go back and tap on it and make sure your friend is also sitting there with their Bluetooth on. And after enabling, your device will appear right here. So you just need simply tap on the device in which you would like to share. So tap on the device, connect to the device, and after connecting to the device, then you'll be able to share apps, photos, videos, anything that you're comfortable with through Shareit. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.